Hello, this is Shoshana Kliski for Metalsmith-Arts 360, and I'm doing the hashtag One Take 1 Minute series. I did a couple days ago, I did a video showing how I filmed some stones on some jewelry that I'm going to be making. I want to show you how I've set it up. I have a softbox here, softbox above it, and I have my camera set up just directly over it with this little Joby tripod so that I could squish in there. I have these pink things so that I can see where not to take my hands out of the film frame. I have my things set up right here. I have my phone plugged in so that it doesn't run out of the battery. It's on no disturb, airplane mode, so that I don't get anything interruptions whatsoever. And then I can start with my timer. I click because I only get 1 minute, and I introduce myself, tell my company name, I do the little film, and the film is looking great. So I thought you'd be interested. Turn the carousel so you see the other ones. Thanks.